Hi and hello, and welcome to the Shiro and Lotus review station. Here we have a very cool review with this awesome white bird. It's not Matilda, but it's something different. Yep, Shiro. You guessed it. So basically who he is based off of like this cool person on DeviantArt and YouTube. The DeviantArt account, her name is Russell Mime Lover 2009, but on YouTuber is Kate DeBonsley on 64 or 46. Can you guys tell what it is? I can't remember. So basically he has his own little bandana. I got a second wipe. I got two wipers, so probably I might get like another one sooner or later. And probably making her Lotus. Yeah. It's going to be really tough, but I can promise that I'm going to do the best work with felt. See you later, and I guess I'll see you later, guys. Peace out. Make sure you rate, subscribe. Subscribe. Right, or leave a comment in the description below. So, goodbye, and I'll see you later, guys. Peace out.